Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my dining room, but I'm also going to give you kind of like the thought process that goes into styling a dining room. My style is transitional with a touch of glam. So if you like that style, keep watching. Or even if you don't like it, keep watching because you can still use the same principles. All right guys, so let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing in your dining room, you have to have a buffet because you want to have a place to store your extra plates, glasses, cutlery, your napkins, napkin rings, tablecloth, anything that you're going to use in your dining room. You need to have a buffet in order to store those things. And typically you will use your buffet as your focal point, and you will put a beautiful piece of art like what I have here, and I have them flanked with some wall sconces. These beautiful wall sconces right here are from ZGALLERIE. The artwork is from HOMEGOODS. And you also want to incorporate some extra seating just in case you have those unexpected guests that come by. So 2 extra chairs that are similar to your main chairs at your dining room table are what you want to go with. And you definitely want to go with some beautiful things on top of your buffet, such as I love ginger jars. You can get these ginger jars from like HOMEGOODS. The filler you can get from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They have some beautiful options. These moss balls are from Amazon, and a beautiful bowl. So you just want to do some combination on top of your buffet, but the main point of the buffet is to store the things that you would actually use in your dining room. Extra seating over here and over here, similar chairs to what I have at the actual table. So you want to also think about that just in case you have, extra guests or whatnot. So that is the first thing that goes into your dining room, because you want it to be beautiful, but you also want it to be functional. And I know a lot of people are not using dining rooms now. They are just, having people eat at the island in the kitchen. But if you're like me and you want to hold on to your dining room to have entertain guests and entertain family members, then go with what I'm telling you right now. Okay, so the wainscoting I absolutely love in here because it does add some interest as well. Now over on the other side, I have a bar cart and a big beautiful plant that I got from Amazon. Mine is not real, but if you have a green thumb, feel free to put some kind of life, some type of greenery in your dining room. It just adds more interest, and it can also fill negative space that you have in your room. I incorporated a bar cart because I do like cocktails every now and then, and I do like to serve cocktails to my guests, and so I thought it would be nice to incorporate a bar cart. And you could definitely do that in your dining room, because when you guys get finished eating, you can offer your guests a cocktail, or if you don't drink alcohol, you can have non-alcoholic drinks there in these beautiful containers. Yes, absolutely fine as well. This particular bar cart I found at Ross a long time ago, and I believe it was $59.99. Also incorporating some beautiful wall art that inspires you in your dining room is what you want to do. I love abstract art, but if you're more of a person that likes nature or black art or Asian art or whatever it is, go ahead and you can go ahead and incorporate that into your dining room. So I have touches of gold throughout my dining room because I do love having a formal and glam look. If you want a more casual look, you can do black or you can do wood. So over here at the window, I do suggest hanging your curtains if you have windows in your dining room from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. If you have 9-foot ceilings, that would be a 108-inch curtain. You could get those from HOMEGOODS. You can get those online. You can get those from Amazon. They're everywhere. So in my particular case, I have the rod pocket curtains, which I absolutely love. However, I do want to change these over to the curtain rings and have them hang on the curtain rings. So once I do that, I will come back and show you. So I love the fact that they go all the way to the floor, because that gives a more dramatic look and it makes your ceilings look taller, and it has a more luxurious look. Okay. And above here I have this beautiful champagne picture with my favorite perfume, Chanel number 5. And so that just kind of goes into the fact that I do serve cocktails in the room. Just get whatever picture inspires you. In my case, this is the first room that you see when you come into my home, so I wanted to really make it a showstopper. The area rug that you're looking at, I got that from Ross a while ago, and it is an 8 by 10. So I think it's important also for your dining room to get a rug big enough where all of your chairs can fit on it. Usually an 8 by 10 will do it. The printed leopard chair is from PIER 1. People always ask me about that. I got those before they closed all of their stores, so I've had it for a while. And do a beautiful centerpiece on your table, whatever you want it to be. I use these clear cloches with some white flowers, but you can do whatever you want. You could do ginger jars, you can do candles, you can do you know, anything you love to look at. I did some place settings here just with gold and white and a little bit of teal. Again, whatever you have, you can do. Whatever chargers you have or plate combinations that you would like to serve food on, you would put that out. And you would just make sure it coordinates with what you have in the dining room. A beautiful light fixture is the other aspect that you want to incorporate. This one right here is from the Home Depot. Camera does not do it any justice. You have to see it in person, but they still do sell that in the Home Depot right now, even though I've had it for a few years now. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today, I'm going to tell you about my e-designs that I'm now offering on my website. If you are struggling to decorate a room or finish decorating a room, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, I'd love to help you design and decorate your space. The e-designs are super affordable and very easy. You will get a full 3D design of your room, as well as home decor suggestions, furniture suggestions, and I can also do color schemes if you don't already have one. Now, to get an e-design, it's an easy 3-step process. First, you will fill out the form on the website. Step 2, you will upload your pictures of your space. And step 3 is just wait to receive your 3D e-design within 7 business days. So head over to the website so you can get started with your first e-design today.